Okay, we'll discuss one more very important problem. Okay, it is a repeated VTU examination problem. Okay, the problem is the figure shows a cast iron link. Okay, the link material has maximum normal stress of 65 MPa. Check the design to transmit a steady tensile load of 50 kilonewton and comment on your recommendation. This is a given cast iron link. Okay, here we have two sections, the section AA and section BB. Okay, for that what we need to do, we need to design the section BB as well as the section AA. We need to write a comment on this. Okay, the link which is able or not able, okay, which the link which is able or not able to transmit a steady load of 50 kilonewton. Okay, that is very important. Okay, this is the given cast iron link. Okay, here we have two sections, section AA and section BB. Okay, with different dimensions. Okay, first let us download the first let us note down the given data. Okay, here we have F is equal to, okay, which is a tensile load of 50 kilonewton, that also we can write it 50 into 10 to the power 3 newton, and also the allowable normal stresses sigma is equal to 65 MPa. Sigma is equal to 65 MPa, 65 into Newton per mm square, which is tensile. Okay, let us first consider the design of section BB. Okay, for that we know that allowable stresses, okay, we know that allowable stresses F by A. Okay, formula is to find out the allowable stresses, which is F by A. Okay, by using this we can able to find out the allowable stresses. Okay, for that we know the F. Okay, we know the value for F is equal to 50 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, this is a tensile load. Okay, and we need to find out the area for section BB. Okay, we know the thickness. Okay, thickness is 20. Okay, this is a formula to find out the area, 20 into B. Okay, and B is equal to 45. Okay, which gives 900 mm square. This is a, okay, the value A is equal to 900 mm square. Okay, if we substitute the values in this formula, okay, F is equal to, we know, 50 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 900. 50 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 900, which gives, okay, 55.56 Newton per mm square. Okay, 55.56 Newton per mm square. Here for section BB, sigma allowable is equal to 55.56, okay, Newton per mm square, which is less than, okay, which is less than the induced tensile stresses at BB. Okay, induced tensile stresses BB, okay, which is less than the maximum stresses. Okay, the maximum stresses, maximum allowable stresses is 65 Newton per mm square. Okay, here what we get, okay, for the section BB, here 55.56 Newton per mm square, which is less than the maximum stresses of 65 Newton per mm square. Okay, 65 Newton per mm square. Next, let us consider, okay, next let us consider the section, okay, now consider the section AA, design of section AA. Okay, here the sigma allowable is equal to F by A. Okay, here also we need to find out the, okay, the area. Okay, how to find out the area? Okay, here what we have, okay, the cross sectional area for AA. Okay, the formula A is equal to capital D minus small d into T. Capital D minus small d into T. This is a formula which is used to find out the, okay, which is used to find out the area, where D is equal to 75 mm, okay, which is given 75 mm, and small d is equal to 40 mm, okay, and t is equal to 20 mm, okay, t is equal to 20 mm, okay. So if you simplify the, okay, if you substitute the values in this, okay, we'll get area is equal to a is equal to 75 minus 40 into 20, will get we will get around if you simplify this, we'll get around 700 mm square. We get around 700 mm square. This is the value, okay, area, cross sectional area for the section AA, okay. If we substitute the value here, we know the value for f is equal to how much, okay, 50 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 700, okay. If you substitute that, okay, what is the sigma allowable, okay, for section AA, okay, sigma allowables for section AA is equal to 71.43. If you simplify this, we will get, okay, 71.43 Newton per mm square, which is greater than the maximum stresses, okay. Sigma allowable, okay, for section AA is 71.43 Newton per mm square, which is greater than the sigma maximum, okay. So this is a problem, okay. Here the, okay, this is the induced tensile stresses at AA is 71.43, okay, 71.43 Newton per mm square, which is greater than the maximum stresses. The maximum stresses is 65 Newton per mm square, 65 Newton per mm square, okay. Since, okay, here we need to comment this, okay, since the induced tensile stress at section AA is greater than the maximum normal stress, that is 65 Newton per mm square, that is 65 Newton per mm square of the link material, okay. The link cannot be able to transmit the steady tensile load of 50 kilonewton, okay. So here, since the induced tensile stress at section AA is greater than the maximum normal stress, which is 65 Newton per mm square, okay, that is 65 Newton per mm square of the link material, the link cannot be able to transmit the steady tensile load of 50 kilonewton, okay. This is the given problem, okay. For this is a comment, okay, here, okay, in section AA, which is, okay, greater than the, okay, allowable stresses, the maximum stresses is less compared to allowable stresses, Okay, that's why the link cannot be able to transmit the steady tensile load at 50 kilonewton. Okay, this is about the problem. Okay.